This is Japan Vlog Service.
Hey YouTube, Michael Pickett here. So it's Tuesday the 9th February 2016. Just walking home. Nothing much going on really, but thought I made a bit of a vlog. Just to make something. It's been a really windy day. It's going to be a kind of weather related vlog, but it's a bit more calm now, but yeah, still quite windy really. And we're apparently about to get some really warm weather and rainy, so that'll be fun. But I hadn't made a video for a couple of days really, and the ones that have been made have been a bit sort of not political but sort of drama related a bit, and I don't like doing those really. Just that recently I've been getting lots of comments on videos, usually bizarrely really old videos and it's unfair to say they're trolls, but they're people linking me to other videos. And yeah, the videos are all to do with other jvloggers or some kind of controversial issue, mainly other jvloggers, but also some general political thing, like, I don't know, Donald Trump. Getting pretty fed up with that, so it's stop checking YouTube for 24 hours at all. Yeah, well, windy again. Yeah, but, if the idea is I'm meant to react to it, I will only react to the videos of people I actually personally know outside of YouTube. And if I react to those, it's nearly always to give an incredibly measured response, rather than just say, well, this is obviously, terrible, bad video. So yeah, don't try and bait me, it's not gonna work. Anyway, see ya, bye.